Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Shopify account. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right. Maybe you've missed it. You can go ahead and scroll down right here in the video, and then in the description or pinned comments, you can just click on one link. And after that, you'll be landed to this exact page. And what you'll do next is just go ahead and enter your email address. Once done, you can now then go ahead and click on the next button. Wait for it to load. And then once that's done, you'll now have your Shopify account. If you want to enjoy the $1 for 3 months, okay, you could go ahead over to the bottom left, click on select a plan. Wait for it to load, and if I were you, I'm going to go ahead and choose the advanced option. As you can see, you could also use advanced or maybe just the basic one, but all of them got 3 months for only $1. Okay, select advanced right here and then just enter your payment details. And after that, just click on subscribe. And once done, you're good to go. You can go ahead and check your Shopify right here under settings and then go ahead over to plan. And as you can see here, I've been using the advanced plan for only $1. There you have it. That's how easy it is to create a Shopify account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.